Today too I'll have to drive a bike instead of my new car. Had the prices of petrol been affordable, I would have saved myself from the traffic pollution.
Good morning, Ajay. Going to office?
Yes, Mr. Gora.
Why don't you join me today? Let's travel together in my car.
Won't that be a trouble to you?
Not at all. I will drop you first and go to my office. Please come.
If you don't mind, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Mr. Gora, I see you travel by car every day. You take your family out often and today you're dropping me off to the office. Doesn't the petrol price even bother you? Have you hit the lottery or something?
Why would the petrol prices bother me when my car doesn't even run on petrol at all? In fact, I am spending 1/4 the cost of petrol while enjoying the drive in the comforts of my car. Be it hot summer, wet rainy or cold winter, I have a good ride. I am saving a lot to spend on small things that matter in life, enjoying the luxuries of driving a car, and not to forget, I am not harming the environment too. Moreover, let me tell you, it feels great to drive to office in my own car. I feel a sense of pride and achievement. No offense to you though, I love driving a bike. It's just that I hate the pollution, dust and heat before starting my day in the office.
Wait a minute. You said this car doesn't run on petrol. How is that even possible?
You caught that, huh? Yes, Mr. Ajay, it is possible with CNG.
Now what is CNG?
CNG means compressed natural gas. It is natural gas compressed to 1% volume which can be used instead of petrol in the car. Moreover, it's safe, clean burning, no toxic emissions of greenhouse gases or carbon emissions.
But how can a car run on CNG?
Shine Car Gas, a trusted service center, is there to help with that. They have been offering services for over 3 decades now. They have handled numerous car models which includes both 3 cylinders and 4 cylinder cars. The best part is the customer service is just great. They guide well with the basic precautions to take once the fitting is done, and they provide service throughout the year. If you have time, let's go and meet them. They will tell you all about it.
Anything for this. Let's go right away.
Hello, I brought a friend of mine. Can you tell him a little bit about your CNG service? Yes sir, we use the best quality products which are available in the market.
Will my car run slow with CNG?
Slow? Not at all. Technically speaking, there would be an almost negligible pickup drop of about 5% than usual, I would say. But nothing more.
Will it give a better mileage or save my cost that I would have otherwise spent on petrol?
Absolutely sir. It's a win-win for you. Let me show you the math. With petrol, you can drive about 15 to 18 kilometers per liter. With diesel, 15 to 20. However, with CNG, it's about 27 to 30 kilometers per kg. If you look at the pricings, CNG is a lot cheaper than petrol and diesel. The mileage on CNG is about 1.7 times the petrol mileage. At the current market prices, that is about 65% of the savings. If the petrol prices continue to increase, then the percentage of savings will be even more in the future.
What if the car runs out of CNG?
In that case, your car will make you aware beforehand about the low levels with a beeping sound, and then automatically switches to petrol when the gas runs out. There is no need to stop the car when the switch is happening. It safely makes the switch from CNG to petrol.
And if I want to run the car on petrol instead of CNG, will I be able to do that?
Of course sir, you can manually choose to turn the car on petrol whenever you feel like.
Is it safe during accidents?
The gas is lighter than air, so it safely escapes during an accident. We make sure that the battery is covered with a rubber covering and the cylinders are of good quality which can absorb shock in case of being hit by a heavy object. Remember, accidents happen only when you don't take care of small things from your end.
At Shine Car Gas, there's a lifetime warranty on certain products. That sounds assuring. I'll be back with my car this evening. Can you share your contact details so that I can pass it on to my friends?
Sure sir, Please note down our contact details.